Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 12, keeping ourselves clean. And today I will deliver its 5th lecture. So my dear students, आपको पता है कि हम cleanliness के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं. मैं आपको बार बार कहती हूँ कि unhealthy habits छोड़ दें. Because of unhealthy habits, germs enter into our body. तो अगर हम unhealthy habits को छोड़ देंगे, रोज़ाना हाथ धोएंगे, we will wear clean clothes, और इसके अलावा हमेशा अपने आप को साफ रखेंगे, साफ बाल होंगे हमारे. So in this way we can maintain cleanliness and we can stay healthy. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. For that you have to answer a question. My dear students, listen the question very carefully, pause the video and answer the question. Name some of the ways to maintain cleanliness. Name some of the ways to maintain cleanliness. Very good. So, brush your teeth twice daily, take a bath daily, wear neat and clean clothes, always throw the trash in the garbage. In this way, we can stay healthy and keep ourselves clean. Very good. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly look at the student learning outcome for today. Today, all the students will be able to recognize the importance of keeping themselves, their clothes, and surroundings clean for their health. So my dear students, हम बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं कि कैसे हम अपने आप को साफ सुथरा रख सकते हैं. तो आज भी हम इसी के ऊपर जो है वो डिस्कशन करेंगे that how we can keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Allah says in Quran, and Allah loves those who keep themselves clean and pure. अल्लाह ताला साफ सुथरे रहने वाले लोगों को पसंद फरमाते हैं. My dear students, let's quickly look at the pre-reading question जो मैं आपसे हमेशा reading start करने से पहले पूछती हूँ. What do you do to avoid germs? आप germs से बचने के लिए क्या करते हैं? जल्दी से सोचें. Very good. हम अपने हाथ धोते हैं, रोजाना नहाते हैं. We take a bath daily. We wear neat and clean clothes and we brush our teeth twice a day. Very good. So my dear students, in the previous lectures we were studying about the story of Ahmed. Ahmed was ill, he was not feeling well, he went to the doctor and the doctor said that the germs, because of germs you are ill. And what are germs? Germs are very small organisms which cannot be seen by naked eye और हम उनको सिर्फ माइक्रोस्कोप से देख सकते हैं. और unhealthy habits की वजह से germs enter into our body. And what are unhealthy? Unhealthy habits are these. When we do not wear mask in the smoke, when we do not wash our hands after using toilet, and when we eat unhealthy food, the germs enter into our body through our hands, our mouth, our nose, and from the cuts, wounds, जख्म जो होते हैं खुले हुए, उनसे हमारे जिस्म में जरासीम या germs जो हैं वो enter हो जाते हैं. So my dear students, then we studied about the ways of keeping ourselves clean, like brushing teeth twice daily, take a bath daily, wear clean dress, put garbage in the dustbin, trim nails regularly, wash hands before and after meal. So ये वाली तमाम वो habits हैं. These are all the ways to maintain ourselves clean. ये हमने previous lecture में पढ़ी और आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम एक practice करेंगे और एक activity करेंगे. So my dear student, this activity is given in your books on page number 99. Quickly open page number 99 in your books. I hope everybody has opened page number 99 in their books. So my dear students, teacher's note hai, so that teachers will act upon this. The above given chart address SLO number 1. So discuss each of the above habit to maintain cleanliness in detail by quoting examples from everyday life. Emphasize on practicing these rules in the everyday life. Prepare charts of above given pictures to make your less active. So my dear students, अगर हम teeth brush नहीं करेंगे, if we will not brush our teeth, what will happen? There will be cavity in our teeth. ठीक है, हमारे दांतों में कीड़ा लग जाएगा, black color के holes हो जाएंगे. और अगर दांत, if they are gone, once they are gone, they'll be gone forever. खत्म हो जाएंगे, फिर आप खाना कैसे खाएंगे? So again, if we will not take a bath daily, what will happen? We will get germs, we will get sick. हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. And if you will not throw the garbage in the dustbin, what will happen? There will be garbage everywhere और हर तरफ कूड़ा होने की वजह से there will be mosquitoes and there will be flies which again cause germs, which again spread germs and cause diseases. So if we will act upon all the good ways, all the healthy habits, then we can keep ourselves healthy, clean, and we will not get sick. So my dear students, now what we will do, we will make a chart of all the healthy habits. So the pictures for this preparation of this chart are attached in the description box below this video. Your teacher can simply download them, print them, and then with the help of your teacher, you can make a chart. Ways to maintain cleanliness. And here I have pasted all the ways to maintain cleanliness. Wear clean dress, trim nails regularly, wash hands before and after meal, put garbage in dustbin, bath daily, brush teeth twice a day. ठीक है? So ये हैं तमाम वो healthy habits जिनकी वजह से हम healthy रह सकते हैं. Before we made a chart on unhealthy habits और ये भी मैंने अपने क्लासरूम में पेस्ट किया है. Just underneath it मैं ये वाला चार्ट भी पेस्ट करूँगी so that मेरे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं उनको मेमोराइज हो जाए, वो they'll keep remembering it कि कौन सी हैबिट्स उनको अवॉइड करनी है और कौन सी हैबिट्स जो हैं we must keep them. Okay? So my dear students, this is how you can pause the video and you can make your chart. I hope everybody has now made their charts on healthy habits. Paste it in your class and move forward with me on worksheet number 2. Again, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video. इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में नीचे ये वाली वर्कशीट है जिसको आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. You will write down your name over here and your class over here and then draw a line from the health tools. These are all the health tools on one side, on the left, that you will use for each of the body parts. और यहाँ आपके body parts हैं जो इन health tools को use करते हैं. आपको health tool से body part जो उनको use करता है उससे line draw करनी है. For example, brush, hair brush. We use it to comb our hair. Very good. So this is how you will complete the rest of the worksheet. Brush our teeth, use soap to wash our hands, use tissue paper to clean our nose, and we use a floss to clean our teeth. We use a nail clipper to clip our nails, and again we use soap to take a bath to clean our body. So आप लाइंस जो हैं एक बॉडी पार्ट तक भी ड्रॉ हो सकती हैं. ओके, सो पॉज द वीडियो एंड कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट. वेरी नाइस. So my dear students, for evaluation, quickly answer the question number 12. Listen to it carefully and then answer. Name some of the ways to maintain cleanliness. Very nice. Brush our teeth, take a bath, wear clean clothes, trim your nails, and wash your hands before and after meals. Wash your hands after using the toilet. So these are all the ways to maintain cleanliness. Okay, my dear students, now is the time to note down the homework. For homework, you will do question number 3 given on page number 103 from the writing practice. How do you keep yourself healthy? आप अपने आप को सेहतमंद कैसे रख सकते हैं? Brush your teeth twice a day, wear clean clothes, and trim your nails. Again, wash your hands before and after eating meal. This is how we can keep ourselves healthy. You will do this question in your notebooks, and this is your homework. For help, you can take help from here. The answer is written here. Okay, my dear students, what have we learned today? Today we learned that cleanliness can be observed by different ways, such as washing hands before and after meal, after using toilet, clipping nails, taking bath, and brushing teeth regularly. If we will adopt all these habits, what will happen? We can keep ourselves clean. Very good. So, my dear students, keep yourself and your environment clean. Stay healthy. Keep everybody safe around you. Have a good day. Thank you so much. And